Welcome back to another Zulu language lesson with Zulu Mama. Today's lesson is all about transportation. Ezokuthutha. We'll learn names of different transport types and how to use them in a simple sentence. So let's begin. A car is imoto. Imoto. Ngigibela imoto. I am riding in a car. Bus is ibhasi. Ibhasi. Ibhasi lifika ngesikhathi. The bus arrives on time. A train is isitimela. Isitimela. Ngihamba ngesitimela. I travel by train. A taxi or minibus taxi is itekisi. Itekisi. Itekisi igcwele abantu. The taxi is full of people. A bicycle is ibhayisikili. Ibhayisikili. Ushayela ibhayisikili. You are riding a bicycle. An aeroplane is indiza. Indiza. Indiza ihambela phezulu noma indiza indizela phezulu. The airplane is flying high. A boat is isikebe. Isikebe. Isikebe sisechibini. The boat is on the lake. Now I will share some simple useful phrases that can help you. Ngifuna ukuya edolobheni. I want to go to town. Kubiza malini ukuya edolobheni? How much is it to go to town? Ngicela ukwehla la. Please drop me off here. Ngidukile or ngilahlekelwe indlela. I am lost. If you enjoyed this Zulu lesson, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Please let me know in the comments or suggest any lessons that I can cover or something that you'd love to know what it means or how to say it in isiZulu. Nisale kahle, ngiyabonga.